Is XRP becoming the top altcoin? In this video, we're going to explore what XRP is, how it's different from other cryptocurrencies, and the latest news about it. XRP is a type of digital money created in 2012 by some smart folks who wanted to send some money across the world faster and cheaper. Unlike Bitcoin, which can be slow and uses a lot of energy, XRP is quick and doesn't need as much power. It's like a bridge that helps different currencies work together smoothly. As we go through this video, we'll see how XRP's unique features and recent developments might be making it even bigger of a player in the crypto world than it already is. Now let's dive into why XRP was created in the first place. Back in 2012, three engineers, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, wanted to make sending money across countries faster and cheaper. They noticed the traditional banking systems were slow and costly, especially for international payments, so they built the XRP Ledger. It's a kind of digital ledger to help banks and businesses move money quickly and at a lower cost. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed more for individuals, XRP was made to help big institutions with their money transfers. This way, XRP acts like a bridge, making it easier for different currencies to work together and ensuring that sending money globally is as simple as sending an email. Let's see how XRP stacks up against other big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is often called digital gold because people use it to store value. But Bitcoin transactions can be slow and use a lot of energy based on the proof of work system that I talked about in my Bitcoin versus Ethereum video that you can see right up here. Ethereum uses proof of stake. Again, that's in my Bitcoin versus Ethereum video that you can check out. But Ethereum's essentially like a big computer network that lets developers build applications on its platform, but it also faces challenges with speed and really high transaction fees. Solana is faster and cheaper than Ethereum, making it much more popular for certain applications. XRP, on the other hand, was designed to move money quickly and cheaply, especially across borders. This makes it different from the others. Plus, XRP aligns with ISO 20022, which is a global standard for financial messaging. This could help banks and financial institutions adopt XRP more easily. This alignment means XRP could fit well into the existing financial systems, making international payments smoother and faster. Now let's talk about how XRP's price has changed over time. In November 2022, XRP's price took off, jumping from around 50 cents to over $2.50 in just a few weeks. This big increase happened because Ripple, the company behind XRP, won a major court case against the SEC. The court said that XRP wasn't a security when traded on public exchanges, which made many investors feel more confident about buying it. And actually now in March of 2025, the SEC actually has officially dropped their case against XRP and the price skyrocketed, well, in regular terms, skyrocketed 11%, which is huge when it comes to any sort of asset as a whole. Crypto, maybe not so much, but it is a huge asset. So 11% is still a big win. These legal wins, along with more banks and companies starting to use XRP for payments, has helped push the price up. Going back to January 2025, XRP reached a new high at the time of $3.18. The issue with XRP is just like the issues with all cryptocurrencies. XRP's price can go up and down a lot based on just the volatility of the crypto market as a whole. So it's important to keep an eye on the news and understand what's happening in the market. So among other XRP price milestones, let's look at how it's climbed the ranks among other cryptocurrencies. In November of 2024, XRP's market cap passed Dogecoin, reaching 60.39 billion compared to Dogecoin's 53.29 billion. And real quick, a market cap, if you don't know, is just the total capitalization of the coin itself, meaning the number of coins available times the price of each coin. The surge here was really just driven by increased confidence that investors had after Ripple's legal victory against the SEC at the time, just like the one that we saw recently with the SEC dropping the case against Ripple. After the November rise into December, XRP continued rising and it overtook Tether, which is USDT, to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. This was fueled by more optimism surrounding a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment and the new administration with the new president and that whole thing. The rise here was fueled by more optimism around the crypto-friendly regulatory environment that they were expecting, with the whole new administration, as well as the anticipation of XRP-based ETFs. ETFs are exchange-traded funds, which basically give more access to investing in cryptocurrencies for people that are not going to go and sign up for a wallet and actually do the Web3 way of buying assets in the crypto space. They would invest on Fidelity or BlackRock. Into January of 2025, XRP's market cap surged to about $140 billion, passing major companies like Sony and Nike. The growth in January just reflects ongoing positive sentiment and increased adoption of XRP in various financial sectors. These price milestones highlight XRP's significant progress in the crypto world, driven by legal victories, regulatory optimism, and growing institutional interest. Beyond XRP's recent market achievements, let's explore really how recent political events are shaping the future of of XRP. In January of 2025, President Trump signed an executive order to promote digital assets and financial technologies, and this order established a working group to develop clear rules for cryptocurrencies, aiming to make the US a leader in the crypto world. So there was huge sentiment here for crypto positive legislature. After that, we saw a proposal from Eric Trump to eliminate capital gains tax on US-based cryptocurrencies, meaning cryptocurrencies that were originated from the US, so things like XRP and Solana and anything that undergoes or is applicable to that ISO 20022 standard, which we'll get into later. This really just means that profits from certain digital currencies may not be taxed. It's not for sure yet, but it encourages more people to invest in them. There are lots of different claims on the internet and different news stories that you can hear, so it's really good to be cautious and look into the actual sources where you see these things. But there was some false claims that the US Treasury had created an XRP wallet, and later on this was debunked and identified as a scam. Generally, these political moves and regulatory changes could make cryptocurrencies like XRP more popular and widely used. Now let's explore how XRP is being adopted around the world with other partnerships and big announcements. From major banks to big companies, many are starting to use XRP for faster and cheaper payments. We'll look at some of these important partnerships and see how they're helping XRP to grow. Recently, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, mentioned XRP during a town hall meeting in Pittsburgh. When someone asked him about XRP's future in financial institutions, he said that while he believes cryptocurrency can protect against centralized control, his comment was definitely not an endorsement or lack of endorsement for XRP. This means that he didn't specifically support or oppose XRP. Even though he didn't make a clear stance, his mention of XRP got people talking and speculating about its future. Also, recently, Ripple has been putting up big ads in places like Washington, D.C.'s Union Station. These ads say things like, "We're building a better future for finance. Are you?" The goal of these ads is really just to get more eyes on Ripple and XRP and get people to learn about it on their own. After these advertising campaigns, Robinhood, a very popular trading app, has added XRP to its platform. So this means more people can now buy and sell XRP very easily. After the announcement, XRP's price went up by about 22%, reaching a new high for 2024. This shows that when big platforms like Robinhood support a cryptocurrency, it can become much more popular and valuable. Also, Amazon is deciding to get on the XRP announcement train. Amazon has partnered with the Crypto Trading Fund, or CTF, platform on the XRP Ledger. This means that when shoppers submit their Amazon purchase receipts to the CTF reward platform, they can earn CTF tokens as rewards. Now, if you don't understand what that means, that's okay. It essentially just means that people are submitting their receipts for rewards within this program. You can look into the details of exactly how this program works, but the main thing here is that Amazon is announcing an integration with XRP, essentially, and that is kind of a big step, combining online shopping with blockchain technology in any sort of way. As we've seen, XRP is gaining momentum through major partnerships and increased adoption. Next, we're going to explore how institutions are embracing XRP and the new investment products emerging in the market. Let's take a look at how banks and companies are using XRP for payments and how new investment products like ETFs are making it easier for people to invest in XRP. These developments show how XRP is becoming more important in the finance world. So if we take a look at this article here, Wells Fargo has approved the use of XRP for settling credit card and loan payments. This means that customers can now pay their credit card bills and loans using XRP, making a significant shift in how traditional banks are embracing digital currencies. While obviously this change mainly benefits Wells Fargo's clients, it also shows that more banks are starting to explore cryptocurrency options for everyday transactions. In addition to Wells Fargo's recent adoption of XRP, 13 banks across Africa have now confirmed they'll use XRP for all payments across the continent. This move aims to make sending money between African countries faster and cheaper, especially in areas where traditional banking isn't as strong. By using XRP, these banks hope to improve financial services for more people. Moving up north, the Central Bank of Ireland approved Ripple as a virtual asset service provider. This means that Ripple can now offer its crypto services in Ireland. While the bank isn't using XRP directly, this approval shows that Ireland is open to exploring digital assets in its financial system. Now moving over into the US, and another big move, American Express has teamed up with Ripple to make sending money across countries faster and easier. Basically, they're going to use Ripple's technology to offer real-time trackable payments for businesses and, make those transactions quicker and more efficient. You can see kind of a thread line here coming through that everything is meant to be quicker and more efficient for Ripple and XRP essentially using that. JP Morgan put out a prediction that XRP having an ETF would attract $3 to $8 billion in investment. That's obviously a great endorsement there. MasterCard introduced a crypto card program that allows users to make everyday purchases using digital currencies like XRP. MasterCard's CEO also stated estimated that Ripple's XRP Ledger, or XRPL, could replace SWIFT for international payments, and discussions are already underway to integrate XRPL. Now, as a little bit of background, SWIFT is a system that banks use to send messages to each other securely, mainly to give instructions for transferring funds between accounts. If Ripple's technology replaces SWIFT, it could make sending money across countries faster and cheaper, potentially increasing the use and value of XRP. Now, some more big developments. 19 banks reported exposure to XRP, totaling 9.4 billion euros in investment positions. Some of these banks are from North America, Europe, and other regions, but 2% of this is XRP, which is 188 million euros. Now, obviously, when it comes to the global economy, that's not a huge amount of money, but $188 million across 19 banks in XRP specifically is still a big deal. Now, when it comes to banks, we've got another big development. Nearly 80% of Japanese banks plan to adopt XRP by 2025. Ripple has also built a vast network of over 1,000 financial institutions worldwide through RippleNet. It's a global payment network. This extensive collaboration basically highlights XRP's growing acceptance and solidifies its role, in modernizing financial transactions. And the last one I'll mention, pretty important, the World Bank has recognized XRP as a leading digital currency for cross-border transaction. And this endorsement really highlights XRP's, great value in international payments, being the speed, efficiency, and things like that to potentially boost its global adoption. So as you can tell, XRP is becoming more popular with big banks and companies that are starting to use it. All these changes show that XRP is becoming more important in finance, which could make its future much, much brighter. Before we keep going, if you're looking to invest in crypto like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more, I'll leave links below to Coinbase and Crypto.com where you can get $50 worth of crypto when you use this exclusive link. So XRP and Ripple are very tied together, and Ripple is developing lots and lots of things when it comes to all of these companies, institutions, and their partnerships, as well as other potential technologies and things that are just going to amplify how people see XRP. One of them is Ripple's RLUSD. It's a stable coin that they launched recently. So a stable coin is essentially just a cryptocurrency that has its value tied to something else that is stable, or just something else in general. In this case, it's going to be tied to the US dollar. So each RLUSD is backed by a real dollar or government bonds or other similar assets. This backing really helps to keep it steady, unlike other cryptocurrencies that can change a lot in price and have huge volatility. Essentially, it should stay, a dollar, for instance, kind of like USDT or USDC. Very similarly, although they have their issues, and we can get into that in another video, so definitely subscribe. RLUSD, or Ripple stablecoin, is designed to work on both the XRP Ledger and the Ethereum blockchain. People can use it for things like lending, borrowing, and making payments without worrying about big price changes. This makes sending money across countries easier and more predictable. Introducing RLUSD could make Ripple's network more useful. Since RLUSD transactions happen on the XRP Ledger, they might increase activity there, which is good for XRP because it's used to pay for these transactions. Also, having a stable coin like RLUSD could attract more people and businesses to use Ripple's system, possibly leading to more use of XRP as well. In short, RLUSD offers a stable way to use digital money, and its launch could really help XRP by bringing more attention and activity to Ripple's network. In the last quarter of 2024 and into January of 2025, XRP and Bitcoin both saw their prices go up. However, XRP's percentage increase has been much bigger. During just the month of January, XRP's price went up by more than 50%, while Bitcoin's price went up about 13%. Now, usually XRP and Bitcoin's prices move in similar ways, and over those last 3 months of 2024 and into January, their price movements have been, or were, quite similar, with kind of a correlation about 0.87, which is, pretty darn good. One would be a perfect correlation. You can see right here on this chart, their movements look fairly similar, but the, difference is the kind of percentage that they changed. As you can see, the blue line here went up drastically in January, and the red line did not quite go up by as much. In January, XRP's price went up significantly. It went past $3 on January 15th, and most people were really hopeful about the ongoing legal case with the SEC, which, as we know now, has definitely been dropped, and we're all good there. And the price, as I mentioned before, has rebounded up about 11%. These kinds of events made people more interested in XRP, leading to a bigger increase in its price compared to Bitcoin. But the takeaway here is that, as usual, every crypto generally follows Bitcoin's price, but they will have their own surges and dips based on market sentiment or what people think about each coin when news comes out. You definitely want to be careful about investing in coins other than Bitcoin because their price shifts are going to be much more drastic than Bitcoin will. So if Bitcoin goes down 10% in a day, something like XRP, Ethereum, or Solana may go down 30-40% in a day. We've definitely gone over a lot, so let's recap a bit. XRP has been on an incredible run with major price movements, partnerships, and real-world adoption, pushing it to new heights, and it definitely went down and recently has recovered. While most cryptos tend to follow Bitcoin's price, XRP has, kind of been doing its own thing lately. It surged very, very high because of big announcements and institutional interest from major banks like Wells Fargo, Central Bank of Ireland using XRP, to JP Morgan's prediction that XRP having an ETF could bring in billions of dollars. It's clear that XRP is becoming a serious player in finance with all of these announcements. Now Ripple's launching RLUSD, its own stablecoin. XRP's ecosystem is getting even stronger. And now with Ripple launching RLUSD, its own stablecoin, XRP's ecosystem is getting even stronger. Stablecoins are designed to keep a steady value, which makes them great for payments, for lending and finance. But since RLUSD will run on XRP Ledger, it could bring even more activity to the network, making XRP even more useful. That's why investors and institutions are paying close attention to everything Ripple is building. I highly recommend that you keep up with all of the new announcements with Ripple. Follow everybody you can on Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, and subscribe here for more, because we will definitely be releasing a lot more information on XRP. But I hope this gives you a little bit more background into, what makes XRP tick up and down, and, what to expect in the future, because there's a lot of really big things going on with Ripple and XRP and their development. If you're looking to invest in crypto like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, I'll leave links down to Coinbase and Crypto.com where you can get $50 worth of crypto when you use those exclusive links. Also, if you want to buy meme coins, check out MoonShot. I'll leave a link below where you can get free meme coins just by signing up with that link and clicking claim meme coins. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.